Alright, what's up guys? I'm back with another cryptocurrency video, and I apologize for all the little specks flingering everywhere. I changed my little setup, and the shadows and everything is kind of messed up on my green screen. Also, my channel name is DWAT. It's not DWAT, it's not DWAT, it's DWAT, in case you guys are just wondering. It's my name basically, it's like a nickname, my name combined into one. So yeah, that's just what my channel name means, in case you're wondering. But I think today's video is going to be more on how to mine Bitcoin, what it is and stuff like that. I think a lot of you coming to my channel are brand new, and if you're not, then I still have some stuff to help you out to get to more the excelled level and know what you're doing. But let's go ahead and take a look at the chart. As you can see here, Bitcoin's at 15,000. You know, it got up to 20,000. That was insane. Here, it's gonna be really hard to get it. But it went up to 20,000 or close to it. I think it was like 19.5. Then it really quickly shot down to like 17,000. Held 17,000 for a while. And then now it's at 15,000. It's kind of pulling back, which is normal. Some of you were probably like, oh, it's at 20,000, but now it's at 15. It's bubbling or whatever. It's popping. If that's not really a bubble pop right there. That's just it pulling back and getting into the norms. And you could actually expect this to drop down in the next few months, probably down to 12,000. It's possible, and that would be totally normal because we would still be higher than what we should be with Bitcoin by the end of 2017 and early 2018. We were really supposed to only hit like 12,000 by early 2018, and we're at 15,000. So we're still over kind of bought, but not really. I guess we're just over excelled, and we could go up, you know, and I never know. So Ethereum's up 3% right now at this point. I saw that at like 500 earlier today, so it's kind of pulling back a little bit. Bitcoin Cash 1400. IOTA, this one surprised me. Like a few days ago it surprised me. It went from like literally, I would say like decimals of a penny. And I wish I would have got into it, obviously. I think everyone does. But it was like right here. It's like 0.89, 0.4. You know, it just depends how early you got into it. And then it shot up to $4 in literally one day. That was insane. Taking the 4th spot on the coin market cap, which is insane. $12 billion in market cap. Bitcoin's over $250 billion. That's insane. We have a total of 406 billion in total cryptocurrencies. And Litecoin right now is really booming. I was actually going to buy into this when it was $91, buy a few. I wasn't going to buy a bunch, I was just going to buy a few, but it was at like $91 a few days ago, and I was going to buy in, but it shot up to 200, and then it pulled back to like 170. Now it's back at 150. I expect this to probably hit 200, maybe 250 by early 2018, or by the end of December of 2017. Dash is pretty good right now, 700. Everything else is kind of going down right now, so this might be a time to buy. And I'm seeing a whole bunch of new coins coming out of nowhere, like Cardano, my bad. It's up 3%. This was super low. It was like down to like, what was it down to? It was like down to like 0.03. Now it's at 0.11. That's pretty good. Populous, I don't know what this is. EOS, it's pretty solid right now. Maybe this is just a time to buy. This could be a time to buy, guys, because everything's down right now. You want to buy when everything's down, to be honest. Quantum's down, Bitconnect's down. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead. I'm on my Bitconnect right now. Remember, I'm doing the 60-60 method. I'm testing it out. I think a few people have joined my team and are testing it out with me, and that's awesome. So if you want to test it out with me, it's basically we're going to be reinvesting for 60 days straight, and we'll double our investment. So I'm going to go from $1,000 investment to $2,000 within 60 days, hopefully. And then what we're going to start doing is cashing out for 60 days. And by the time we cash out for 60 days, I will have, it won't even be 60 days, it'll be 40. So I'll cash out for 40 days. Because I'll be making like $20 a day off of the 2,000. So I will cash out for 40 days, get my $1,000 back, and then I'm completely got my money back. And then from there on, I'll keep reinvesting. And then that's when the profit starts coming in. I got my money back as fast as possible. and we're gonna keep going in. So my total investment right now is $12.90, and I've earned almost $200. So we're getting close to our goal. So like I said, basically how it works is you reinvest for whatever you put in for 60 days, and then you take out for 40 to 60 days, just depending on how much you put in. It might take a little while to get your money back, I don't know, but it's going to take me about 40 to 50 days to get my money back. And once I get my 1,000 back, I'm going to start reinvesting again and building up my investment, and then eventually, you know, pulling out some profit. But the volatility interest has been pretty high recently. You can see the past 4 days have been great. The last 7-day average is 1.08%. So let's just go ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and put in my investment. So I'm just going to round it to 1,300. So let 1,300, and I'll be making, in 30 days, I will be making plus 0.01. Since I have 1,000 invested, I get the extra percentage bonus. Also show that right here. You get 0.10% daily. If you do 1,010 to 5,000, if you do 5,010 to 10,000, you get 0.2% daily, 0.25% for 10,010 or above. And basically I'm getting 0.1% extra of whatever it is. So in 30 days, I'm literally making $409 in profit and in my investment. So I'm gonna get my money back in 240 days, I believe. So I'm gonna make a profit of $3,276 if I don't reinvest every day. But of course, we're gonna be reinvesting every single day. But we're gonna be doing the 60-60 method. Okay, I think some advertisements just popped up on one of my pages. Had to close it out real quick. But the last 4 days have been great. 1.39%, 1.48, 1.23 today. Okay, I think Bitconnect has some like ads running down here. I can't really get rid of it, I guess. We'll just have to hurry this part up. But 1.5%, I'll be getting 1.6 since I have the extra 0.1. Like I said, if you want to join my team, the link is in the description. If you want to make your first investment, remember, Bitconnect is not 100% trustworthy. It's not 100% liable to be lasting for years and years and years. So do your research on it before you do make an investment. Decide what you're willing to put in and what you're willing to lose. I'm willing to lose $1,290. Don't worry. I'm willing to lose that. So it just depends what you're willing to lose and what you're willing to put in. So only put in what you're willing to lose, but I think it is a good investment to make some money over a good period of time. However, anything could happen at any point, like I said. But if you want to join my team and do the 60-60 day with me, it's only going to take you about 100 days to get your money back and double your investment with this method. Link is in the description if you want to do that. Also, if you're new to cryptocurrency, blah, 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 you haven't even bought your first amount of Bitcoin. If you go on Coinbase.com, you can buy your first, you could buy Bitcoin here easily. Go in my link in the description. You can buy $100 of Bitcoin and get $10 free. So if you are just new and you want to buy some Bitcoin, you get $10 free for that. So that's awesome. But so now we're gonna get into the part where I'm gonna talk about some like mining stuff, and you guys are probably wondering, how does this work? Blah blah blah. Basically, here's Bitcoin right here. It went down actually. Did it actually go down? Oh, okay. I think it went down a little bit. Okay. So the circulating supply right now is 16.7 million. That means there's 16,700,000 Bitcoin in supply right now, moving around. No matter where it's at, it's moving around. And the max supply is 21 million. So that means there's only 4.3-ish million left. And the only way to get that 4.3 million is from mining. And you can do this from building your own computers and setting them up to use their graphics cards to mine it, or you can pay an online company such as Gensis mining or Hashflare, which are the big top two that I'm going to be working with. They actually are trustworthy, have companies and big facilities to do this, and you can actually pay them, and they just basically take out a small fee based on how much you're paying them to set up a hash rate to mine. And the difficulty increases on mining. So you're probably thinking, well, 4 million is going to get mined very quickly. No, it's not. This has said 16 million for the past like 6 months or more. So like you could already tell there, it takes forever to mine it, but the difficulty increases after more's mine. So eventually it's going to get so hard to mine Bitcoin that it might not even be profitable. It's possible. But Genesis mining, I currently have 5 THs a second. Basically this is going to generate me, I want to say, here we can look it up really quickly. Just type in like Bitcoin mining calculator. This is going to be a little off because the power consumption and this is different, but this is going to be an estimate, you know. So with 5 THs, I'm going to be mining about 0.0079 per day, which is about $7.56 based on the current price of 14,283, which that's not even the current price. So that's actually pretty good. But so over a year, I will be able to mine 0.28, and it's going to be different. I think I'm mining more than 0.28. That's just an estimate. I think it's going to be more than 0.28, I know for sure. But this other website I'm going to be using is called Hashflare. The difference between the two is Gensis mining is right now is actually sold out of Bitcoin contracts, and I bought one back in August. No, I think it was September. I bought one in September when they were offering, maybe it was November actually. I'm not sure. I think it was October. I can't remember. It was whenever they allowed Bitcoin contracts once again, and they're open-ended, which means they will last forever as long as you can pay the maintenance fee. So I'm going to get 5 THs for life, basically, until it can't pay itself. But it's going to be a while before that happens. And Hashflare, the difference between this is they're starting to do only 1-year contracts. So you can see right here, 1-year contract. I'm going to be buying a really big contract from them probably the next few days. I'll make a video on it, show you guys what I'm doing. But basically, you can set however many THs you want, depending on the price, or if you want to pay with Bitcoin, you can do that. And I'm going to be making a really big contract with this. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys that, but it's only going to be a 1 year. That's the only thing that sucks about it. Genesis offers like lifetime almost, but they don't currently have any Bitcoin contracts. They have other contracts for other coins right now, but not Bitcoin. So if you're thinking about setting up a contract with Gensis or Hashflare, I have links in the description to give you 3% off and stuff like that. So if you're interested, I'll be showing you more detail in another video, so don't worry. Let's go ahead and make our reinvestment. I wish I would have got that. Here, let me refresh real quick. Maybe, yes. Yes. I was hoping we could get that 25 cents so we can make a $20 reinvestment. And I refreshed and we actually got it. That's fantastic. So let's make this $20 reinvestment. Now we have $13.10 total invested. And so I showed this chart in the last video, but I'm going to show it again. So basically I'm going to put in my investment amount here, which is $13.10 right now. And based on the average, we'll take the last 30 days average, which is, I think it's 0.94, but we'll pick it up right here. It's actually 0.95. Okay, great. Last 6 months, 0.94. Last 7 days, 1.08. So we'll do 1.95. 0.95. Here we go. So you can see my investment here is going to start accumulating my lending wallet, and I'll keep reinvesting. And after another 49 days, I'll be able to reinvest $20 every single day. And it gets faster and faster. So after 86 days, I'll be doing 30 every day. And then 40 every day after 125, and then 50, and then 60. It picks up really fast. After 180 days, $70 per day. And what we're doing is, after we hit 2,000, which is right here, 46 more days, I will start cashing out until I get $1,000 back, and then I'll reinvest again and build up my investment. Like I said, if you're interested in this, make sure to go in the link in the description. Sign up with my team. I will give you this chart if you want the chart. I even have an email. One of you guys commented asking for my email. I have a business email if you have any questions whatsoever, but I'm willing to help out my team at all cost. So yeah, if you want to join my team, do that with me. I have a Discord as well that I will invite you to, and we can have private conversations and stuff like that. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy. I will see you guys probably tomorrow or the next day. So yeah, be on the look out for the next cryptocurrency video. There's always super awesome news going on, and I'm just having a great time watching it all. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Peace.